Hi guys, so this is for final autoclaim.dutchycorp, and today I'm going to show you quickly how to do a PTC. And a PTC is basically these. So you click on one to visit the site, you wait for 10 seconds, some of them are 40 seconds, and after the time's done you have earned some coins. And with them coins, so as you can see, it's finished. So now it's going to take me to another screen, and now all I need to do is go back to the screen I was, and there you can see I've earned 60 Dutchy and 50 XP added to your account. So as I was saying, with them coins there, you can mine the coins that you want to use. So for example, I'll show you quickly where that is. So this is the home page, and there's all the coins that you can mine once you've got some coins accumulated. So as you can see, my progress to the next level is 57.2. So once I get 100%, they give me a bonus for making it to the next level. So then, as you can see in the middle box there, my Dutchy is 91,922. So that will give me a lot of hours of mining, and I'm able to choose out of all these coins which ones I want to mine. Now the more coins I mine, the quicker the time will run out. So the least coins I mine, the more time I have on that coin to get more of that coin. And the pay to click is one of the ways to earn the coins to be able to get whatever crypto you want. So once again, you just click on the button to claim. You wait, these ones at the moment are 10 seconds. So you wait 10 seconds, and then when it's finished, there is a pop-up that takes you to another screen once you press submit. And then all you do is just go back to where you was, and then it will load you back to where you are, and it's as simple as that. So if that's any good to you, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to show you lots more how-to videos and lots of different passive incomes. If this is what you're into and you're trying to make a little bit extra cash for yourself, then make sure you subscribe and show other people so that we can have a bigger community. The links for this website will be in the description. I'll see you on the next video, guys.